the next generation of the Internet. It offers a range of new opportunities to browse, communicate, and transact online while revolutionizing the web user experience. These technologies include big data, the semantic web, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things. With the help of these technologies, we can expect a more efficient, user-friendly, and secure Internet. Security delivered by Web 3.0. Web 3.0 delivers improved security through advanced cryptography and decentralized data storage. These technologies will enable us to build a more secure and user-friendly Internet. And companies are investing in Web 3.0 technologies to improve their products and services. The future of Web 3.0. The future of Web 3.0 looks bright as it has the potential to revolutionize the Internet as we know it. Web 3.0 technologies, such as the blockchain and distributed ledger technology, will provide a new level of trust and transparency. Additionally, the shift to a decentralized web will provide users with more control over their data,